Check out what we got today. Paint protection film in a can. This is going to work perfect for the front of this brand new Ford Maverick. Let's go check out and see what comes inside this kit. Now inside the box, you get some protection plastic, a nice microfiber towel to make sure the surface is nice and clean. You get a roll of painter's tape for nice clean lines. And you get not only one, but 2 cans of paint protection film. Let's go prep this Maverick and see what we can do. A little before shot. She's already starting to get some rock chips in some places. We definitely need to get some paint protection film on this. Now I got the entire area masked off that I don't want the coating to go. Just getting this can shook up. Let's start applying. Now they say this is supposed to be good for 5 coats per can. They recommend 10 wet coats, one right after the other. So that's the end of the first can. So far, so good. Let's open up the second can. So there's 10 layers. Even if your spray pattern isn't consistent, it just lays out super nice. Let's get the plastic off. Let's pull the tape off. And there we have the front done. Plasti dip, paint protection film. Stuff is awesome.